Here's some Irish words you probably don't know, but they're really fun to say. Dóchas, dóchas. In English, it means hope. Driocht, driocht, driocht. It means magic and enchantment. Fado, fado. In English, that means long ago. Flóthúlach, flóthúlach. In English, that means generous. Fuincha, fuincha, fuincha. It means a source of water, fountain, spring. Another Irish word I love saying is the word for flattery. Plámas, plámas. Probably one of my favorite Irish words, sketchamini. Sketchamini means excited feelings. Uachtaráin. Uachtaráin means president. Uachtaráin na hÉireann, President of Ireland. Uisce. Uisce means water. Be sure to comment below and tell me what your favorite Irish words are. Slán!